As per the US firm, Bhima Koregaon suspect Rona Wilson's laptop was hacked to plant evidence. Though the NIA has rejected the claims now, the Washington Post report suggests that a digital forensics firm, Arsenal Consulting, found that activist Rona Wilson's laptop was hacked to plant around 10 incriminating letters. But the NIA spokesperson Jaya Roy rejected the report as distortion of facts. The forensic firm has claimed that evidence against Rona Wilson was planted on his laptop that was seized by the police. The Washington Post report says that malware was used to infiltrate Wilson's laptop. As per the Arsenal's report, Wilson's computer was compromised for around 2 years between 2016 to 2018. Now, after the reports came out, activist Rona Wilson has filed a petition in the Bombay High Court to dismiss the entire case against him. His fresh petition has requested the court for compensation for agony, harassment, violation of fundamental rights, defamation, loss to reputation, incarceration, inhuman treatment and suffering during this period. He has also asked for his immediate release from the jail. As per media reports, his lawyer Mihir Desai said, and I quote, "A petition has been filed in the Bombay High Court to quash these proceedings. This forensics report has been attached for reference. It is enough to clear the suspicion about Wilson's involvement," unquote. Reports suggest that the firm has called this alleged malware attack on Wilson's computer as one of the most serious cases involving evidence tampering that Arsenal has ever encountered. However, the NIA has rejected these findings. NIA spokesperson Jaya Roy said, and I quote, "The forensics reports that are cited in the charge sheet filed in the court are from an accredited lab accepted by the Indian courts. In this case, it was done by the Regional Forensic Science Laboratory in Pune. According to their report, no such malware was found. Rest all is distortion of facts," unquote. While raising questions about the letters that were allegedly planted on the activist's computer, the NIA said the context and incidents mentioned are very much corroborated in the charge sheet by other oral, documentary and technical evidence. Now let me give you a background of the case and who Rona Wilson actually is. Rona Wilson is from Kerala and he had been living in New Delhi prior to his arrest in 2018. He has done his MPhil from JNU. He has earlier worked with the Committee for the Release of Political Prisoners (CRPPP) as media secretary. Now the background of the case. The Bhima Koregaon case is related to a gathering that was held in Pune on New Year's Eve in 2018 to mark and celebrate 200 years of a battle between the Peshwas and the Dalit community-dominated British Army. The Dalit community had defeated the Peshwas on January 1st, 1818. But sadly, the celebration of this victory and event erupted in a violence on 1st January 2018. Many people, activists and leaders had participated in the celebrations that resulted in violence. People who took part in the event were accused of making provocative speeches. The NIA is investigating the entire matter now. They have alleged that a larger plot was at play to wage a war against the nation. Many people like lawyers Sudha Bharadwaj, tribal right activist Stan Swamy, activist Varavara Rao and others were arrested after the Bhima Koregaon violence. And Rona Wilson is one of the 16 people who were arrested in the case.